Okay, I like this question. Hindi po ba awkward nung shoot niyo yung MV? Medyo. Medyo. Kasi, I don't know, siguro with the age gap, doesn't matter naman talaga, but it's just me na it's my first time working with an older guy. Hindi naman siya sobrang tanda, guys. It's just that yung age niya very far from sa edad ng mga guy na nako-work ko on screen. Pero nawala naman yung awkwardness kasi nga he's very nice and friendly siya. Hindi niya pinapa-feel sa mga nakaka-work niya or sa mga tao sa paligid niya na I'm a K-pop star. Alam mo yun, A-lister, Korean actor. Na hindi niya pinapa-feel na this is me, I am so Ingo. Hindi siya ganun. He's very nice, very humble. Bakit? Anong problema? Sabi ni Hershel, age gap siguro kaya medyo awkward. Tapos may crying emoji. Why? Parang magka-age lang kayo. Diba? Yung itsura niya kasi, kahit na parang I think he's 30 plus na. Nung hinulaan ko yung age niya, kasi tinanong niya ako yung edad ko, tapos tinanong ko rin siya, tapos parang sabi niya, hulaan ko daw, ganyan. Tapos parang, ang sabi ko nung parang 26, 27, sabi niya, no. Yes! It's just work, guys. Yes, sabi niya, he was able to make you feel comfortable, which means he's really nice. He's really nice. Grabe yung mga pagkadilulo niyo. Feeling ko crush ka nun.